Unwrap. Do you know who everybody's from? Well,
I gave your kids our present.
Have a present
from Big G and
Gigi, but the rest of y'all are presents.
What about my other present?
You'll get your other present. Open one at a time. What's that?
I didn't. I was like,
look at I got.
Pull it up, man.
Yeah, who's that from?
look at the front page.
Yeah, Power Rangers. Who got that?
Wow, what'd you get?
You like that, Peyton?
Cool. Yes. Oh, dude. I just wanted
You know what that is?
But she wants to see the shirt first.
Let me see the shirt.
You like that?
Huh.
Yes.
Hey, Greg Morgan. What do you got?
This pen.
Yeah. That's just a little something extra. But look at that.
Oh, that is pretty. Let's see.
Do you like it? Yeah, do you like it?
Awesome. Wow, that is cool.
Peyton, that's a book on the history of baseball.
You get it? Oh, here we go.
That's just a cardboard. It's just cardboard to keep them getting messed up.
Let me see, baby.
I need somebody's help.
Oh, get that CD before Susanna or before Shelby steps on it.
Okay.
There you go. That's for you.
Who's that? Okay. Who's that? Okay.
What do you think? Look at, that's a daddy book. Put that one in the daddy pile.
And who is?
What do you think, Kate?
You like it?
Whoa, thank you. Morgan, what'd you